Hey everyone, and welcome to the first video of our DAX learning series. If you're looking to level up your data analysis skills, you're in the right place. I am your mentor, and in this series, we'll be diving deep into DAX, starting with the fundamentals and working our way up to advanced techniques. So, what exactly is DAX? DAX stands for Data Analysis Expressions. It's a formula language used in Power BI, Analysis Services, and Power Pivot in Excel. Think of it as a powerful tool that allows you to perform complex calculations and create custom metrics from your data. If you're coming from Excel or SQL, you'll find DAX familiar, but also significantly more powerful for handling complex data relationships. With DAX, you can go beyond simple sums and averages to create dynamic reports and dashboards that tell a compelling story with your data. DAX helps you 1. Create custom calculations, beyond basic aggregations. 2. Build interactive reports, using measures that react to filters and slicers. 3. Handle complex relationships, across multiple tables in your data model. 4. Gain deeper insights, and make informed decisions based on accurate data. Today, we're starting with the basics, DAX data types. Just like any programming language, DAX works with different kinds of data. Understanding these data types is crucial for writing accurate and efficient DAX formulas. Let's break down each of these and see how they're handled in DAX. Numeric data types are used for calculations. DAX distinguishes between integers, whole numbers, and decimals, numbers with fractional parts. DAX automatically detects the appropriate numeric type based on the input. You can also explicitly convert between integers and decimals using functions like int and fixed. Using the currency data type is essential for avoiding rounding errors and ensuring accurate financial reporting. DAX handles dates and times with the date-time data type. This lets you perform date-based calculations, like finding the difference between two dates or extracting the year from a date. The Boolean data type represents logical values, either true or false. It's often used in conditional statements and filters. Boolean values are crucial for creating dynamic reports that respond to specific conditions. The text data type is used for strings of characters. You can use it to store names, descriptions, and other text-based information. The blank data type represents empty or missing values. DAX handles blanks differently from zero or an empty string. Understanding how DAX handles blanks is important for avoiding errors and creating accurate calculations. The table data type represents a collection of data in rows and columns. It's used internally by DAX functions that return tables. We'll dive deeper into tables and table functions in later videos. When working with DAX, it's essential to be mindful of data types. Incorrect data type handling can lead to unexpected results. Always check the data types of your columns and formulas. Use explicit conversions when necessary. Also, ensure your data model is clean and consistent. Clean data makes DAX formulas more reliable and easier to understand. That wraps up our introduction to DAX data types. In the next video, we'll start exploring basic DAX functions and how to use them in calculations. Stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out.